Energy is the currency of the modern world. At Apex Food, we manufacture the spark.
Our Volt formula begins with pure, laboratory-grade taurine and B vitamins. Every milligram is calculated to provide maximum focus and sustained energy.
We blend our signature electric blue pigments using natural extracts.
This is where the chemistry of performance meets the art of flavor.
Infused with electrolytes for rapid hydration and cellular recovery. The fizz. We saturate the liquid with CO2 at near freezing temperatures for the perfect bite. Perfect pressure. Perfect refreshment.
We use 9-stage purified water to ensure a clean, crisp finish in every sip.
Speed is an understatement. Our lines move at 2,000 cans per minute.
Total decontamination. Every can is double rinsed before it ever touches the liquid.
The fill. Our sensors detect the exact liquid level in a fraction of a second. Zero waste. Maximum efficiency. Sealing in the adrenaline. A hermetic seal designed to withstand the highest internal pressures. We check for the smallest structural flaws using ultrasonic bubble detection. The mark of the Volt, a symbol of peak performance.
Microsecond heating ensures safety while preserving the sensitive vitamins.
Traceable energy, from our lab to your hand.
Perfection at the speed of light. Our AI never blinks.
Scaled for the global market. Built for the grind. Packed for the journey. Any case missing even a single gram is automatically removed. We verify the carbonation level to ensure the same experience in every can. Durability matters. Our packaging is as tough as our fans. Science-backed energy. No crashes, just pure focus. High-volume logistics for a high-demand world.
Ready for the midnight shift. Ready for the challenge.
The moment of ignition.
We never stop. The energy never sleeps. Clean energy manufacturing for a cleaner planet.
100% recyclable. 100% responsible.
Powering the champions of tomorrow. Apex Volt, your digital fuel. Engineering the surge. Apex Volt. Ignite your potential.